Hi you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Katie. I create all types of lifestyle, beauty, fashion, lots of vlogs, lots of day in my life type of content. If you guys are not already subscribed, you definitely should. I am going to be running a huge and a very exciting 50,000 subscriber giveaway, so definitely make sure you guys are subscribed. So today we're going to be doing my night routine. It is currently 6 p.m., 5:59 exactly. So I just wrapped up with work for the day, so now I'm going to go ahead and probably make some dinner. For dinner, I think I'm going to keep it super simple and probably just make a snack plate. That's been one of my favorites lately. So I'm going to go ahead and make that. We'll get our night started. If you guys are new here, this is my dog Kai. He is a big baby boy. Yeah, he's just a big baby. Okay guys, so while I'm cooking, I'm gonna pour myself a little wine glass of kombucha. I don't really drink wine or anything like that throughout the week. That's typically like a weekend, Friday night type of thing for me. But why not be a little bit extra and bougie and have kombucha in a wine glass? This is one of my favorites. It's the Health Aid Kombucha Maca Berry. Also, I will have these wine glasses linked down below if you guys are interested in them. I included them in my Amazon haul, but these are like my favorite wine glasses ever. So, okay guys, while I have my broccoli and burgers cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of clean up the kitchen a little bit. I need to do the dishes, unload the dishwasher, all of that fun stuff, but I really like just having like a nice like clean space whenever I'm gonna like relax for the evening. To me, having like a cluttery space is like a very cluttery mind, so I like to just make sure everything is nice and clean for the evening, so that's what we're gonna do.
You were perfect for me outside my dream. You paint a different story. I wish that I wasn't so blind to see it. You didn't hide the fact you were not in it. Not to mention the other.
Do you need a little carrot bite?
For you to hear this.
Oh, carrot. Here's a carrot. Hey guys, just sat down to eat. This is how it turned out. I'm so excited. So I just have some Beyond Burger, carrots, hummus, broccoli, and then my kombucha. So I'm just gonna chill out, eat my dinner. I'm gonna catch up on some YouTube videos while I'm eating. And yeah, I'll see you guys after I eat. Okay guys, just finished dinner. So typically after I finish dinner, I like to kind of just like prep for what I'm gonna be doing the next day. So for tomorrow, I am actually meeting up with my friend Megan and we're gonna be shooting some content. I have some pictures and stuff like that that I need to take for sponsored posts and everything like that. So what I'm gonna do now is kind of just go through all of like my clothes, stuff like that, things that I need to shoot, things I've already shot, and just different like outfits, stuff like that that I wanna do. That way I can kind of just have it all like hung up, ready to go for tomorrow so that I don't have to worry about like picking out the outfits tomorrow morning, so.
But you were faded, and I was jaded, and she was naked, oh, we could have made it, but you were faded, and I was jaded, and she was naked, oh.
Outfits are all planned and ready to go. Now, me and Kai are gonna go play in the backyard for a little bit. He's typically like pretty bored because when I'm like working and everything, I don't have time to play with him. So I like to make sure that I am doing a little bit something with him in the evening just to kind of get his energy out. You wanna go play? Let's go play. My gosh, this yard is a hot mess. The people that mow my yard were supposed to come this morning, but they canceled and rescheduled for later this weekend, so it is what it is. Bubba, you gonna bring me your ball? Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take off my makeup, hop in the shower. If you guys haven't seen my skincare routine, I just use this Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water all in one to take off my makeup. I typically like to use reusable cotton pads, but they unfortunately got lost in the move and I could not find them anywhere. So I'm gonna have to rebuy some new ones, but I'm just using the cotton pads that I already had. Okay guys, my makeup is all off, so I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower. While I'm in the shower, I'm gonna be using my Ecotan products. I actually partnered up with them for this portion of the vlog, but I've been using Ecotan products for, I don't even know, since I was like a sophomore in high school maybe. If you guys have never heard of Ecotan, they're an all natural, vegan, organic, Australian based company, so that's really cool. So while I'm in the shower, I'm gonna be using their coconut mint body wash and then also their pink Himalayan salt scrub. I'm gonna be using this one because I'm gonna be self-tanning tonight, so I wanna make sure to just like exfoliate everything and make sure there's no like leftover tan. I love their scrub so much because A, it smells so good. It's made with organic lemongrass, coconut, and grapefruit, and literally the texture is like so cool. So you guys can kind of see it, but like it's a really, really nice texture and it really, really exfoliates. But once you wash it off, your skin is seriously like the softest, most deeply hydrated, silky smooth thing ever. But it also hydrates your skin, so your tan's not gonna like stick to any like dry, clingy patches or anything like that. So love this one. So this one you actually use on dry skin, so before you actually like get your body wet in the shower, you're just gonna like completely exfoliate with this. I like to follow it up with this coconut mint body wash. Again, this one smells absolutely amazing. It's made with organic aloe, coconut, and peppermint, so it smells so good. So a really interesting cool thing about this one actually is that you can actually use it in like your bathroom, your kitchen. You can use it as hand soap, you can use it with your laundry. There are so many uses for this. So I'm gonna go ahead, hop in the shower, cleanse, exfoliate, all of that good stuff. Okay guys, just got out of the shower, have my robe on. I'll link this robe down below for you guys because I know I get so many questions about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lotion on my body and then also on my hands. So for my body, I'm gonna be using the Ecotan Coconut Body Milk. This one you can use on your hands, body, or your face, and this one is made with organic aloe, coconut, and avocado. And then I love to use this one like all throughout the week as well, just to kind of like keep my body like nice and hydrated and like my tan nice and fresh, so that it doesn't kind of like fade off patchy and weird. You guys can see it literally goes on like so nice. It's so milky and hydrating. And then once I put that on, I'm gonna go in with their hand and nail cream. So this one is made with organic mango and sea buckthorn with vitamin C, which is really cool. So one cool thing about this product is that 100% of the profits actually go to, I don't know how to pronounce it, I'll show you guys right here on the bottle. But it actually goes to this organization to help children in need in Kenya, which I think is just so cool. Plus it smells amazing. It kind of honestly reminds me of a Starburst. I love the way that it smells. So I will just put this on my hands. You guys know for my nighttime skincare, I literally keep it so simple. I just put on my Curology, which I'm almost out of this bottle. I just put on my Curology and then just a little bit of moisturizer. Then I'm just going in with my First Aid Beauty Intense, I think this is Intense Hydration Ultra Repair Cream. So I'm putting all this on my face because I don't self-tan my face. I don't want anything to break me out, so I don't really put any like self-tanner or stuff like that on my face. And so I just like buy darker makeup instead. Okay guys, so while I am waiting for my lotion and everything like that to soak in, I'm gonna go ahead and prep my coffee for tomorrow. So I actually make my own cold brew at home. I recently started doing this maybe about like maybe like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and it's honestly just like the best thing ever. It tastes like just as good, if not better, than Starbucks, and it saves me money and trips having to go to Starbucks every day. So anyways, so I bought this whole little cold brew maker system off of Amazon. So again, I'll link that for you guys if you're interested. And then I just get some fresh ground coffee at like my local store. You could probably find some at like Whole Foods, stuff like that. So you just fill this little thing up. So I just fill it about that much. You're supposed to fill it 3/4 the way, but I fill mine up like a little bit more. And then you just take your coffee grounds, screw it onto the lid, and then you literally just dunk it in there, seal the lid, and it's an airtight seal, which is nice. And then you just shake it, and then once you shake it, you just pop it in the fridge for 12 to 24 hours, and then you have delicious cold brew. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and self-tan. I literally like tied my robe so you guys can like see the color and everything. I feel like I'm having like a full-on like aquamarine moment whenever she like makes her t-shirt into like a really cute dress. So I'm trying the Saint Tropez Self Tan Ultra Dark. Okay guys, I just finished putting on my tan. I always like to wear like a long sleeve something lately after I tan to go to bed. Otherwise my entire sheets end up getting like very orange and I hate having to always like bleach and whiten my sheets. So I just finished that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth, finish getting ready for bed. So right now it's about 10:12. I definitely would like to be in bed no later than 10:30. So that I can wake up nice and early. I'm just brushing my teeth. I'm using my Hi Smile. You guys know I love Hi Smile if you've watched my channel for a little bit. Okay, after I brush, I always floss. My favorite little flossers. Kai, what are you doing? Kai is sitting down here squeaking his toy. What are you doing? Oh, give me this. Everybody, jump. Oh, good boy, go get it. So silly. Okay, and the very last thing I'll do is just put on some of my Aquaphor. You are really loving that squeaky ball right now, huh? Okay, all done with the squeaky ball. No more squeaky ball. It's time to relax and go to bed. It's not time for the squeaky balls. Can you say no more squeaky ball? Say all done, squeaky ball. All done. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, I just finished editing. So one of the first things that I've actually been doing is I've been taking these Ollie sleep vitamins, and Kai's finally getting on the bed now. Taking these Ollie sleep vitamins probably about like 20 to 30 minutes before I go to bed. For a while I've been going to bed at like 1:30 in the morning. So me trying to switch from that to like going to bed at like 10:30, 11 has definitely been a little bit difficult, and I've had like issues kind of like falling asleep and stuff like that just because I'm not used to it. So these have definitely been such a big help. I won't take these every single night. Like if I'm really sleepy and I can just fall asleep naturally, then I won't take them. But I've definitely noticed that these like keep me asleep. I have such a deep sleep throughout the night. I'm not like waking up or anything. So I like to just take 2 of these. Okay, and then the very next thing that I have been doing is actually reading. So I feel like typically so much before I go to bed, like I'm either on my phone or I'm on my laptop, and that really just like, you see the whole blue light, and even if you have like the yellow light setting on your phone, I feel like you're still like staring at a bright like synthetic light. And that for me, I definitely realized that once I like turn off my phone at least like 30 minutes before I go to bed, if not earlier, and I actually switch over to reading like an actual book, oh my gosh, you guys, I've noticed just such an insane difference in like my sleep quality. So if you guys have trouble like falling asleep at night, I definitely recommend to try reading a book, whatever you want to read. So another recent goal of mine is that I actually want to read the whole Bible through. And I've actually never done that. I've never read the entire Bible, and that's just something that I wanted to do. If you guys do like reading the Bible on your phone, there's a app called YouVersion, and it has like the whole Bible on there for free. It has like different plans. You could just like read through the Bible, everything like that. But I'm doing one of their plans, and it's the read through the Bible in a year. So for instance, today I am reading Genesis 41 and Matthew 13, 1 through 32. So this is just kind of like what it looks like. So I'll just check on here what I'm going to be reading, and then I'll read it like in my actual physical Bible. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and read those, and then by that time my Ollie sleep vitamins probably will be kicked in, and I'll be pretty sleepy and ready for bed. I know this one over here is nice and ready for bed. What do you think, Bubs? Are you so sleepy? You're the good boy. Okay. Okay guys, the very last thing that I'm doing before I go to bed is just setting my alarm, setting it for 7 a.m. You say goodnight to the vlog. Good night, friends. Good night.